Hello everyone, today we will look at ways to use banana peels. Like the video so you help develop the channel. Enjoy watching. If you have vision problems, try making a decoction from banana peels. For this, it is enough to boil and then drain the resulting liquid into another container. You need to drink the decoction daily. It restores the retina of the eye. If your eyes get tired, then to alleviate the situation, apply cold fresh peels to them. For muscle pain, try using an alcohol tincture of the peel, wiping it on the sore spots several times a day. You need to finely chop fresh peels for 3 to 4 weeks. Regular vodka is quite suitable for these purposes. If you do not have rubbing alcohol, banana peels are excellent for this purpose. If you have mosquito bites or pimples or abrasions on your skin, just wipe the wounds with the peel. Banana peels also relieve pain from burns. For cosmetic purposes, banana peels are used to soften and rejuvenate the skin. If you regularly wipe the cast with banana peels, wrinkles around the eyes will gradually become less noticeable. With the decoction, banana peels are used to wash long hair, which significantly reduces hair breakage. Incidentally, in many countries, it is common to chew banana peels. They are excellent at removing plaque and freshening breath. They can also be used to clean silverware, leather clothing, and leather shoes. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel until we see you in the next video.